Hey everyone, welcome back to your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show, where, as you know, we're all about the root cause and not chasing your symptoms. Each week, we introduce you to a new topic. This week's topic: stress is not bad for you. You actually need more of it in your life. Stay tuned. All right, so let's begin by defining what is stress. Stress is an imbalance, an energetic imbalance in the human body. If we are speaking traditional Chinese medicine, if we're speaking more physiology, then it's really about organs, organ systems, operating systems not working at their capacity. Why would that be? Well, that can come from food, from the air, from the water you drink, environmental toxins, products you use at home with toxins in them, and then, of course, stress in terms of our own emotions, how we see things, how we perceive things. All of these can be very, very stressful on the system. And when the body is stressed, it leads to symptoms, illness, disease, and eventually, of course, death. So stress can be a very bad thing, but is there a positive side? Can stress be a good thing? Well, a little bit of stress should come into everybody's world one time or another. There's numerous studies in Western medicine and in Eastern medicine. In Western medicine, studies have been done through a term called hormesis, showing that something that's bad for you, a small amount of it, can actually help to heal the body. In numerous studies, they've shown this. And in traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, we also know when we try to heal people, help people heal, that we give them a little bit of something that's not good for them, but actually helps the body to heal as well. So stress can be good, used the right way. Finally, I want to leave you with this last one. Regardless of the stress, and most of it begins in our minds. If we put aside the environmental ones, the foods, the air, most of it begins in our minds, our thoughts, how we perceive things, the meanings we give things. Whether they're true or not, it's our perceptions. And there are numerous studies to show that if we perceive something as being bad, then our body perceives it as bad, our mind perceives it as bad, and it actually becomes stressful to us. But on the other hand, studies have shown that people who don't perceive stress as bad, just perceive it as part of life, things that happen, and they flow with it, they're the ones who tend to live longer and have better lives, even though they've lived in the same environment and had the same stresses. So there you go, folks. Once again, thank you for joining us this week and watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so we can get more of this education out there. Once again, this is your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show. Well, remember, we're all about the root cause and not chasing your symptoms. We'll see you next week.